This brand name is licensed to Airtech International Corporation, which is a subsidiary of HvacRepairGuy Ltd, and the units are available in the USA and Canada through Walmart, Amazon, and other retailers. The MN4 HFS9 heat pump model uses a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. They have 3 speed fans, but they use basic washable filters which do not do much to improve the room's air quality. The units are pretty quiet with a noise rating that is just a little below the hum from a refrigerator, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. They use auto evaporation technology, so they minimize the need to empty a condensate bucket when they are operating in the cooling mode. The MN4 CFS-BBO models are basic single-hose cooling-only models with a 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, while the HW4 Sedwell model uses 2 hoses and is Wi-Fi enabled and compatible with Alexa voice commands. The Contempo Joe Swix 7 model has modern styling, while the M008 CESWB6 has a more traditional boxy look and feel to it. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.